Hey, what's up guys, UDRC here, back another vid. It's going to be basically repairing this guy and getting it back up and running for the most part. Won't have a running video for a little bit because it's raining like crazy on my end, so basically it's going to be a repair video. As you can see, I snapped the axle off on like my second run. You've seen the videos earlier, and it's been sitting ever since. I got the parts in, I had it for a few days. It's been, waiting to get everything done. Holidays was great. Hopefully everybody had a great Christmas, awesome New Year, and 2021. Hopefully everybody, everything's better, bigger, all that good stuff. Positive vibes for 2021. All right, so this video is gonna be a repair video on this guy. So basically gonna be putting a new axle on here and a wheel nut. I did lose that whole section when it flew off, so I didn't see where it went. I did not get a new wing yet. It's still it's incoming, but I'm actually thinking of getting a truck body for this and just making this into a truck, but we'll see. Not sure yet. I do like this in the truck version a lot better, only because I've been running it a lot more, so I'll be able to run this a lot more now and just to see how it runs, and I definitely get to see which I like better in the two, the XT or the MT. So a couple things. So I did get a replacement axles. This is the part number. You guys see that? That's the part number for it. It is part number 150147. I think it's like MVK 150147. And I also got new wheel nuts. They're M5, 8mm. So let's see if we get that focused up as well for you guys. Getting the camera. All right, which is basically part number, I believe it was Z682. That's the HPI part number. It is black. No one's come silver, but it will work either way. So I got those two, but they also do have HD axles, heavy duty axles, and heavy duty CVDs. One of my subscribers goes by Jillian9178. He told me about the HD axles. He told me the part number for the rear, which is the axles, will be MV150232, and for the rear, the CVDs HD will be MV150231. So I'm gonna go. So that's basically, I have those in order as well. We'll switch over to the HD on both of them. But right now, I'm just gonna have it on the stock. Just replace them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the linkage off in the back, and then the axle here. So I got my tools here. I got my little, lug nut tool to hold the top nut down, and then bottom. Go ahead and pop that off. All right. I'm gonna try to make this short video. I don't want to be too long, so. All right. Got that there. And these are awesome little trucks, guys. I mean, like I said before, I wouldn't sit here and rate it against like, the Arrma, all those super heavy duty trucks, but it is pretty fun for what it is. For the price, the value, it's a pretty good truck, guys. Like I said, I'm showing you exactly, what it does. I'm not holding anything back. Like I said, this one here broke. Literally my second run, but also it was freezing outside. Probably wasn't a good judgment call on my part, but hey, it broke, so it is what it is. But apparently that is a common issue with this, is those axles snapping. Someone also wrote into me, I forgot his name, he told me of adding, I guess, wider spacers. So it actually covers a bigger surface, so when the axles do flex, it doesn't bend and fold over the existing washers. It causes it to bend as well. This gives it a little more strength. So nice. A lot of people give me nice little tips and tricks with these guys. Also, changing out the shock oils and stuff like that, going like a 50 weight or something like that. All right, so this is the old axle, guys. Snapped right there. All right, so go ahead, get a new one out. And I'm sure I ordered the right one, but I always get a little nervous when I'm putting in new parts for the first time, but it should be good. All right, and then the rear is a dog bone. You can see it. Just slide it back in. All right. part back right there. And that's, and that's pretty much how that go back in. It's pretty simple, not too complicated. All right, this is my first time working on this truck, on the Mavericks. All right, screw that back in. Line that back up, guys. All right. And then you just screw it back in all the way flush. That's how it came anyways. So it stops. All right, do the bottom as well. I loosened up both top and bottom, the pillar balls, so I can slide the axle. I took the top one off, and then I screwed the bottom one out a bit, just to give it a little more room. Now I'm just screwing them both back in all the way till it stops, not over tightening it. All right, and then I'm gonna put this screw in the nut, and that basically holds the rear turnbuckles, links in place. All right, so go ahead, get that started. All right. I really hope I get this thing back together, because I'm planning on driving it maybe tomorrow. It will be a little cold, but I'm not going to take it to any jumps. I'm going to take it out back like I ran the other one and just kind of run around, have a good time with it. On 2S. All right, and now it's time to put the washer back, axle pin, and then the hub. The hub might be a problem because it kind of got a little screwed up when the truck took a tumble, so we'll see how that goes on. I might fight with it a little bit, and you guys will probably see that on camera. All right, so already this axle pin is gonna fight me a little bit. All right, so I think I got a little bent. Let me see if I have another one. If not, I'll just, basically just force it in there. So you have another one, and I'll get right back with you guys. 2 seconds. All right, so I was not able to find the right size that goes into this axle hubs, but it's all good. So I'm just gonna just get my pliers and just kind of slide it through. All right, I don't plan on it coming back out anyway, so get it in there. Mess up the threads either. Too much. I pressed it in too much on that one. All right, so it's just about, try to get halfway through. Pretty close to halfway, guys. Alright, so let's see what the hub will do. I know it's going to fight me a little bit, to be honest with you guys, but it's okay. Yeah, definitely want to fight. Normally it slides right on in there. Alright, so I have to do some little tapping, guys. Like I said, I don't plan on it coming back out. And if it does, it'll probably just snap. So, like I said, this slides right over both the axle and then the pin, so it's not hitting anything. Alright, so see, it's pretty much on there right now. And it is what it is at this point. I will go ahead and just order new hubs as well. Just in case for the next time, if it comes out, I'll be ready for that. Alright, so put the wheel on. Alright, the wheel is on, guys. And then put the new lug nut on there. And then it's pretty much good to go. 8mm lug nut. Again, it's not, you know, this is the way I repaired it. You know, some of the parts got a little wonky from the crash, but it's going to work either way. So, like I said, with that being said, I'm going to definitely go ahead and order some hubs, just in case if it does break again. I know I have some new hubs to put on there. And here we go. She's pretty much back together, guys. The wheel is on the hub. We're good to go. And she's back, guys. All right. And that's pretty much it as far as the repair. Now she's ready to do some more passes, guys. Do some more running with it. And stay tuned for those running videos. Like I said, it'll be on 2S. Just having some fun. And I will have some extra parts ordered. Just in the event that it does break again. I am prepared. I mean, I have extras, but as far as the hub, I'll get a new hub. And then axle pin. And that's about it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.